Welcome back to Crypto Wealth Channel, guys, where we're going to discuss about the Bitcoin price, altcoins, and we're going to talk about Black Friday in the crypto world. And now let's get started. So nothing happened with the Bitcoin price in lately. As we can see, we did stuck in this trend line that I showed you yesterday, and this trend line actually considers the trend line that we made resistance trend line that we made since May, which is from that falling wedge, as we can draw it here. If we get back on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that we are constantly hitting this level of resistance, which is good because it's getting weaker, and there is a probability that we can come back, test this level of support here, and come back and break this level of resistance and make the new support somewhere around here. Anyway, there is not much to talk about on charts because nothing actually happened, but this is good confirmation to tell you guys that the technical analysis are actually working. As you can see, we are constantly hitting the same levels where the line is drawn. So as we can see here, and now we are testing over here, and here we had a level of support only tested one time, which is good. This gives us very good sign that the Bitcoin price is pretty stable and strong, and that the bulls are in the control right now, as long as we are above this level of support, because we do not want to come back down and retest those levels. That could be actually $6,500 per one Bitcoin. So we will see what will happen in the next period of days, but I do think that we need to make some kind of a breakout in the next 24 to 48 hours, but 48 hours is too late. I think we're going to do a little bit earlier in order to this triangle here be valid at all. Now jumping over to the coin market cap, we can see that the Ethereum is on 154. We came back almost $20 from the low that made this in the last 24 hours. XRP coming back on 23 cents. Bitcoin Cash 224, pretty much good surge from 208. Litecoin $48. EOS 2.76, not much changed, but maybe a little bit. BNB 16, very good. Bitcoin SV 108. Stellar 6 cents, this is good. Tron is on 1.5, the same as few days ago, and Cardano is on 4 cents, which means that it had some kind of a surge in the previous days. Monero is on 55, while Tezos is 1.31, Chainlink 2.32, and Cosmos is on 3. We're not going to go further lower, but this is good. Actually, if we change on 24 hours change per price, we can see that the gainers at this day is Luna, Mindle, Electronium, Byton, Altcoin, Hypercash, and Dash, as we can see here. And if we change on the loser side, there is no much losers here. Silverway, Solve, Enigma, Synthetics Network, and that's about it. We're not going to go below 5% in minus here. And last but not least, we're gonna talk a little bit about Black Friday, because the Nano Ledger S is also on sale, and as we can see here, they're on sale pretty good prices, and this is not good situation to avoid if you are planning to buy one, because this is very important to have in order to save your crypto, especially if you have a lot of money invested in it. So just consider, if you are doing that, to do soon, because you have a good offers for the Ledger Nano XS and these backup packs that you can see here on the screen. And also I want to recommend some courses. If you are actually want to learn some programming or whatever, you can have like a lot of very cheap courses for $10 that are costing pretty much more than $200. So just make sure you do that on udemy.com, and that would be it. We're not gonna go any further because there are no news in crypto market right now, and stagnation is real, as you can see on the charts over here. We just mentioned about Black Friday in order not to miss any of good offers that NanoLedger gives, and some courses, and maybe something else that you found. Internet, let us know in the comment section down below what did you buy, and if you buy something at all. And thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to leave us a like and hit that subscribe button, and do let us know in the comment section down below what did you buy on this Black Friday. And until the next video, happy trading! and goodbye.